Welcome to RISE, an edutech platform for JEE and NEET. Myself Krishnakant, Senior Mathematics faculty here. In this session, I am going to discuss number of questions from 5 important topics in JEE Mains 2021 April based on February and March sessions attempt. So first, the topic is the chapter name Definite Integrals and Area. Why this I am picking this chapter is very most important, and the topic is properties of integrals. Why it is a very important to in this session based on previous analysis and these two sessions. In these two sessions, questions asked from most number of questions asked from only in this topic, properties of definite integrals. In February attempt, total questions 10. In March 21 attempt, 11 questions. Total 21 questions asked from only from this topic only. So in these 21 questions, I am going to explain. One question is here: if f of x is equals to integral 1 to x log t base e by 1 plus t dt, then he is asking f of e plus f of 1 by e. How should we solve this question? Most number of the students by solving this question mistaken done at particular point. So first we should convert this equation into f of e is equals to integral 1 to e. Here instead of x I am substituting e, log e 1 plus t dt. Next, f of 1 by e equals to integral 1 to 1 by e log t base e by 1 plus t dt. These are the two integrating functions. Then we should integrate this one. First we should convert this integral 1 to 1 by e log t base e 1 by t into as first integrating factor. Then we should solve the question, we get the answer. The next important topic is from the chapter matrices. So the topic is types and algebra of matrices, transpose and special types of matrices. The most number of questions asked from this topic is in February session. Out of 6 sessions he is asking 9 questions. In out of 6 sessions 7 questions asked here. The topic is types of algebra and matrices, transpose and special types of matrices. I am picking the total out of 16 questions. One question is here. It is a integer type. Most number of questions asked here integers and MCQs. So the if a equals to 0 minus tan theta by 2 0, and I2 plus a into I2 minus a whole inverse. Here I2e means the matrices is order 2 by 2. We have to take identity matrices order 2 by 2 by solving. The most number of the students mistaken done at the converting these matrices into in this form. So by equating this a equals to and b equals to, then we get the answer 13. Next topic 3 is from the chapter binomial theorem based on previous year's question papers, and these two sessions I am picking the chapter binomial theorem, and the topic is number of terms, particular term, general term, middle term, independent term. Out of 6 sessions he asked 5 questions from this topic, and in the same way March session also 5 questions asked from this topic. In these 10 questions, I am going to explain one question. The term independent of x in the expansion x plus 1 by x power 2 by 3 minus x whole power 1 by 3 minus x minus 1 by x minus x power 1 by 2 whole power 10, which x does not equals to 1 is equals to. First we should convert into this up into x minus a whole power 10. We have independent term tr plus 1, applying the formula tr minus 1 whole power r ncr x power n minus r a power r. By using this formula we can solve the first. We should convert into x minus a whole power 10 expansion. Then we should use this formula. We can find the independent of a term of x value. Next, the topic is from the chapter Vector Algebra and Three-Dimensional Geometry. Previous year questions and these sessions, Vector Algebra and Three-Dimensional Geometry, most of the important chapters. At the same time, these are the linkage chapters. Whether the question is asked from three-dimensional geometry, vector concept linkaged here. Whether the question is asked from vector algebra, the three-dimensional geometry concept is interlinked with in these two chapters. Both are linkage with one and other. So the topic name is straight line in a space, and other topic is dot product and its applications. Most of the questions asked from dot product. In February session 3 questions and March session 4. Out of these 7 questions I am explaining, one question is here. Let the position vector of 2 points 3i minus j plus 2k and I plus 2j minus 4k respectively, R and S to be points. The direction ratios lines PR and QS. Here given the two direction ratios, and PR and QS intersect at T. PR, the lines intersect at T. PR and QS intersect at some point T. If the vector TA perpendicular to both PR and QS, this is a perpendicular concept. When the two vectors are perpendicular, A dot B is equals to 0. And here given the distance √5 units, then the modulus of a position vector, he is asking the modulus of a position vector, he is asking. From these two we can find out by applying direction ratios and cosines formula and the concept perpendicular concept, we get the modulus of a distance. By using the distance formula also we get position of a vector. Next, the second important topic is from the chapter differential equations. The topic name is linear Bernoulli's equations, orthogonal trajectories. From this, in February session, out of 6 sessions he asked 4 questions. In March he asked 5 questions. Most of the questions asked from only particularly in this topic. 9 questions asked from this chapter, this topic. So one question is here. 2 of x square plus x power 5 by 4 dy minus y into x plus x power 1 by 4 dx is equals to 2x power. So first we should convert the differential equation into a linear differential equation. How should we convert? Minus y x plus x power 1 by 4 dx, which is equals to 2x power 9 by 4 dx. 2x square plus x 5 by 4 dy, which is equals to 2x power 9 by 4 plus y of x plus 1 by 4 x power 1 by 4 dx. Then dy by dx is equals to p into some x is equals to q. Then we should convert into a linear differential equation. Finding the integrating factor, we can find this at this point. We can find the value of this question. Thank you everyone.